Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this really cute hairstyle and makeup. So if you want to get into it, keep watching. Starting out with moisturizing, I'm using this Aqua Bomb moisturizer to moisturize my face. Now I'm using two foundations and I'm making my face match my body because my face is lighter, and the foundations are the same color. One is matte and one is luminous, and I mix them just because I don't want my foundation to be too matte. And then I'm gonna move on to this hair, honey. So I'm gonna use my spray bottle with water and conditioner and just detangle my hair first. Always make sure that you start combing and detangling from the bottom and then make your way up to the roots.
Time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. But you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that.
Now I'm just using some jojoba oil and putting that on my hair. This hair has been colored, so you know colored hair needs a little bit of love. And I'm just fixing up that part right there, and we're gonna get into this sleek bun. And you want to use some water and some setting foam to get the top of your hair nice and sleek and flat. Make sure you brush it with the soft end of the brush. I always love a side part, so I'm kind of doing a little baby swoop, but you know, you can do whatever part you like. Now I've already sort of done my baby hairs, but I'm just adding a couple of those little kiss curls because I think they're so cute. And if you're interested in how I lay my baby hair, then just watch some of my other videos and you'll see. So I'm just gonna tuck that little swoop behind my ear and start to put my hair into a ponytail. Make sure that ponytail and that swoop is nice and sleek and flat before you actually wrap your ponytail. Now you want to twist your hair so that it can go in a bun, and just wrap it around and keep wrapping. Using another hair tie, I'm just gonna secure that in place, and voila. Now you want to take a headscarf and tie your hair down like nice and tight so that it can stay in place, so it could be flat, so it could be sleek. Y'all know what that scarf does when you put it on and let it bake. Laid. Alright, while that's baking, we're gonna get into the rest of our makeup. So I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. All the products will be in the description box that I used. But I'm using the shade Caramel, and I'm using that as a concealer, and it's gonna highlight my face. I let my concealer sit for a few minutes because it helps with the coverage. I just feel like it gives more coverage. So moving on to my lips, I cannot live without MAC lip liner. Like, I cannot. I swear by this stuff. So I'm using the color Chestnut for the lip liner, and then this e.l.f. matte lipstick, and then a e.l.f. lip gloss in the color Mocha Twist. The lipstick shade, I can't remember right now, but all the shades will be in the description box. Now we can go ahead and blend out that concealer, and you want to blend for your life. Using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, I'm just going to pour that in the top and then use that to set everywhere that I highlighted. Now I'm taking this Fenty bronzer in the color Mocha Mami and this Morphe brush to contour my face. And I like using a different contour color for my nose. This is by e.l.f. and it's their contour duo. e.l.f. bronzers are really good. Highly recommend. I use a lot of e.l.f. products, but moving on to blush, I'm taking the blush palette and the e.l.f. blush brush. I'm just gonna put some blush on the high points of my cheeks. I cannot live without blush either. Like, I cannot. Like, it's a must. Okay, so next we're taking this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick, my favorite highlighter, and this little pencil brush is from BH Cosmetics. I got it in one of their like little sets, but I use that to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow, and the ducts of my eyes. So I'm gonna use the Ulta New Heights mascara and coat my bottom lashes. I do like 2 coats, and this step is a must. Like if it's not done, I feel totally incomplete. And I have lash extensions on right now, which I did myself. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know in the comment section below. But I've been loving lash extensions. So moving on to setting like the rest of my face, I'm using the Mercier powder in medium deep. And then I'm gonna go back in with my highlighter and my Anastasia brush and just highlight my cheeks. So these are my 2 dewy setting sprays that I have, and I chose the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. And this is a step that I never used to do, but you guys, let me tell you, it is a game changer. You have to set your makeup, like it just makes it look like skin. So the hair is done baking. We're just gonna get those little sideburns looking nice and cute, and that's basically the look, you guys. Later on in the day, I went ahead and changed the bun to 2 buns in the back. Like I had 2 little space buns. It was super cute. But that's the look, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.